How many solar panels do you need to install on your home? More and more homes are using solar energy. How much solar panel installation is suitable for your home do you know? Factors that determine how many solar panels you need. You may think that the size of your house determines how many solar panels you need, but it doesn't. To really understand how many solar panels your solar energy system needs, you need to determine the following. Your energy usage. The more electricity you use, the more solar panels you need to cover your electricity costs. Sunlight in your area. Homes in areas that receive less sunlight will need more solar panels to eliminate their electricity bills than those in sunnier states. As a rule of thumb, the southwestern United States gets the most sun in the country, while the northeast gets the least. Panel wattage. The wattage of the solar panels you choose, also called the power rating, determines how much energy the panels will produce, and most solar panels installed today have a power rating of about 320 watts per panel. Fewer panels are needed when you install panels with high wattage ratings. How to calculate the number of solar panels you need. Our calculator below is the fastest, easiest, and most accurate way to find out how many solar panels your home needs, and you don't have to do any math. Step 1. Determine your energy usage. Check out your most recent power bill to see your monthly electricity consumption. In most cases, the total amount of electricity used will be shown at the bottom of the bill in kilowatt-hours, kWh. Your yearly energy usage will give you the best estimate for how many solar panels you need. As energy usage fluctuates in different seasons, think about how much electricity you use for air conditioning in the summer. Because monthly energy usage varies so much, it can be beneficial to dig up your monthly electric bills for the past year, add the electric usage together, and divide by 12. But using just one utility bill to find your energy consumption is still enough for a ballpark estimate. Step 2. Find how much energy solar panels produce in your area. Now that you know how much electricity your home uses in a month, you need to find the amount of sunlight your area receives. This is usually measured in something called peak sun hours, which is essentially the intensity of sunlight in your area. You can find the average number of daily peak sun hours for your state here. This number is how much sunlight you receive daily, but we need to know how much you receive monthly. To do this, simply multiply your state's daily peak sun hours by 30. The monthly peak sun hours you get tells you how many kWh of electricity 1 kilowatt, kW, of solar panels will produce in your area in one day. So, if your state receives 150 monthly peak sunlight hours, 1 kilowatt of solar will produce 150 kilowatt hours of electricity per month. Not sure about the differences between kW and kWh? Read our guide about kW versus kWh and what they mean. Step 3. Calculate solar system size you need. Since you now know how much 1 kilowatt of solar will produce in your area, you can determine what size solar system you need to cover your electricity needs. Divide your monthly electricity usage by the monthly peak sun hours in your area to find the system size you need in kW. Step 4. Figure out how many solar panels you need. So, you know the size of the solar system you need to cover your energy usage. Now what? To figure out how many solar panels you'll need, take the solar system size and multiply it by 1000 to convert the size from kilowatts to watts. Next, take the size of the system in watts and divide it by the wattage of the solar panels you want to install. Voila! That's the number of solar panels you will need to power your home.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,